Hey guys, thanks for watching. This is my DF65 with what I've done in terms of vinyl. I did some cutting out of the Maserati thing, and I've got my Trident there and all that, and that's all cut with my vinyl cutter. I had to use the red vinyl to do that, my blue vinyl, then my green and red. Okay, and you've seen my videos as far as squeegeeing it on and all that. There's a new product that has come out. For DF65s as well as 95s, and who knows, you could probably contact them for other boats, but it's all part of the whole fun aspect of this hobby where we can customize our boats. So enter dragonskinsusa.com, and Dragonskins is run by a guy obviously in the States. And what they do is they create a vinyl product that allows you to do stuff like this. So he's got his templates cut out. It's all die-cut vinyl. And I wanted to do something fun on my boat where I had this idea too as well, where, with the maple leaves, I'm Canadian, so I got maple leaves pierced with the pierced hull and flowing out of the hull. So it's just kind of fun. I like the idea of it. And on the back there. So I sent him over the pictures. He helped me to put it onto the vinyl template. And how it comes up is they get it all printed up. And as you can see here, they're all die cut properly and everything. So it's a great little product. And it's meant for waterproof too as well. So these colors should stay on there for at least, I would say, about 2-3 years. Nothing lasts forever, but just order another one then, right? Anyways, I wanted to feature that for you guys. Again, it's Dragonskinsusa. He's also on Facebook, and that's his website right there. So recommend the product. For a custom job, you're looking at about between $35 to say $40, and the quality is just really good, and it just adds that another fun aspect to the hobby. So there you have it, Dragonskinsusa. Cheers.